Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the sound and speaker problem in your device POCO C40. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the sound of the device or the speaker of the device, you can fix it by the methods I will show you. But before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the sound and speaker problem in your device. Let's watch the video.